Namaskar. Welcome to Maharashtra, the land of towering peaks, bustling cities, and serene coastlines, where the spirit of devotion fills the air, especially during Ganesh Chaturthi. Here, in every corner of villages, cities, and houses, the Lord of Wisdom, Lord Ganesha, is welcomed with grandeur and joy as families and friends come together to celebrate the removal of obstacles.
The streets pulse with life as the Dol Tasha reverberates through the air. Colorful idols of Ganeshji fill every corner, and the sweet scent of the modaks lures you in. Come and witness the breathtaking Ganesh Visurgin, where the waves of the Arabian Sea embrace the idols, carrying with them the prayers of millions as devotees bid a tearful farewell to their beloved Lord Ganesh.
Explore the heart of Maharashtra, where the grandeur of Lal Baksha Raja and the spirit of unity are seen in every corner. In Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi isn't just a festival, it's a living, breathing testament of our faith, culture, and unity, as people from all walks of life come together to celebrate the birth of the Lord and the values of community, compassion, and joy that he embodies. एक दो तीन चार गणपति बापा की जय जयकार
And welcomes you with open arms and a heart full of heritage, where the golden sands of time have preserved the tales of valor and romance. Rajasthan is a realm of majestic forts, palaces, and havelis, where the warriors' bravery and queen's beauty have been etched in history. Their story is whispered through intricate carvings and ornate mirrorwork.
Rajasthan is the land of folk melodies and traditional dances, where the echoes of the dholak and ghumar still resonate through the dunes. As the vibrant colors of our attire and warmth of our hospitality depict a vivid picture of Rajasthani culture. Come experience the fort's regal splendor and the desert landscape's mystique, where the sun dips into the horizon, painting the sky with hues of crimson and gold, and the stars twinkle like diamonds in the velvet night sky. Behold the splendor of a welcoming Rajasthani song.
पधारो हमारे देश रे पधारो हमारे देश
The international news. Google looks to ramp up pixel production in India to avoid high tariffs on Vietnamese imports, citing India's competitiveness in manufacturing. JD Vance is currently visiting India to enhance trade and cooperation.
National news and IED India Scholarship Award 2025 applications open.
Sports news. After the win against Leicester on Sunday, Liverpool just need one more Premier League victory to secure the title. In yesterday's IPL match between DC and LSG, DC came out on top, beating them by 8 wickets with 13 balls left.
Weather news. It is expected to be a clear day with bright sunshine. The maximum forecasted temperature is 41 degrees Celsius and the minimum 23 degrees Celsius. Humidity is expected to vary between 15% and 26%.
You match the elegance of Bengal's culture. It is a melting pot of cultures, a land where the aroma of jhalmuri and mishti doi fills the air and the sweet sounds of Rabindra Sangeet and ball music echo through the streets. Its cuisine is a symphony of flavors, from the spicy kick of the jhalmuri to the creamy sweetness of the mishti doi. And its festivals are a celebration of life, love and art.
West Bengal is the land where art, literature, and compassion have always found a home, where the likes of Tagore and Sarat Chandra have left an indelible mark on the world of literature, where the brushstrokes of Jamini Roy and Rabindranath Tagore's paintings continue to inspire generations. Come, let's experience the chaos and warmth of its streets, and let the spirit infect you with the soulful Rabindra Sangeet, the melancholy tunes of Baul music, and the vibrant colors of festivals and traditions.
Bengal is rich, so full of grace, with rivers, fields, and a peaceful place. Tagore's songs and poets' rhymes live in hearts for all of time.
বাংলা থেকে রাজস্থানে এক মাটির দূর. From Bengal's fields to desert sand, one rhythm beats across the land. ভাষার বীরে জেগে থাকে ভালোবাসার সুর. So many languages, so many ways, in every word a heart that sways.
Sari is bright and dance is fair. Music flows through the open air. Old and new in hand they go, Bengal's pride will forever grow.
উৎসবের আলো ছড়িয়ে পড়ে শান্তি নিয়ে আসে নতুন ভর Festivals shine in colors and light, filling every soul with delight. চোখের রং, কথার ধরন, তবুও এক হৃদয় এক পাত. We look different, we speak apart, still we carry one beating heart.
Stories old in every land, carved in stone by careful hand. From Durga Puja to village song, the culture here is rich and strong.
ভারত মানে অনেক গান, অনেক গল্প, এক সুরের বন্ধন. India is not just one voice, in every sound we all rejoice.
Fields of green and sky so wide, Ganga flows with gentle pride. Bengal's heart beats brave and free, in every soul, in you and me.
একটি সুরের পথে চলি, আমরা সবাই এক দেশের সন্তান. Let us walk together hand in hand. United we rise, a peaceful land.
Punjab da tashan dekho. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers, where the wheat fields sway to the rhythm of the dhol, and the golden sunsets paint the sky with hues of saffron and crimson. Punjab is the cradle of Sikhism, where the teachings of the Gurus still resonate through the golden temple's haloed halls, and the spirit of Seva and Langar continue to inspire humanity. It is the land of Bhangra and Gidda, where the drumbeats echo through the villages, and the laughter of the people is as contagious as the fragrance of sarson ka saag wafting through the air.
The cuisine is a flavorful blend of spices, herbs, and love, with makki di roti and sarson ka saag being the crown jewels of its culinary heritage. The aroma of freshly baked kulchas and the tang of spicy chaat will tantalize your taste buds, while the warmth of Punjabi hospitality will make you feel like part of the family. Come, experience the vibrant tapestry of Punjab's culture, where tradition meets modernity, and the rhythms of the dhol and the melodies of folk songs will leave you spellbound. From the majestic Golden Temple to the bustling streets of Chandigarh, Punjab will captivate your heart and leave you with unforgettable memories. Let the energy of Punjab infect you, and the memories of music and laughter stay with you forever.
वही साड़ी अंदरली ताकत बन जाते ने.
The bridge between discipline, tradition, and transformation is built on the values we inherit. They become our inner strength.
विविध रंगों से सजा है भारत का संसार, हर परंपरा में बसता है सांस्कृतिक आधार. धर्म, भाषा, वेशभूषा की अनोखी यह पहचान विरासत की अताती है पूरे विश्व में महान.
India is a land of diversity, where people of different religions, castes, and cultures come together and live in harmony. India is highly respected for this treasure of diverse heritage.
Nuestra herencia cultural es el puente y el futuro.
Our culture's heritage is the bridge between the past and the future.
Namaskaram. Kerala, God's own country, where the backwaters reflect the golden hues of the setting sun. Kerala is ancient yet alive, a land where the whispers of sages still echo through sacred temples.
Kerala's spices have lured traders from distant lands, and its Ayurvedic wisdom heals those who seek solace. Others may boast, but Kerala breathes art, lives culture, and dances with the heartbeat of time itself. Here's a small look at the great spectacle filled with vibrant hues, intricate patterns of pottery, and the majestic movements of the Bharatanatyam. The temples are adorned with sculptures that tell stories of myth and legend.
Kathakali is not just a dance, it is a battle of good versus evil, a story of myth and legend, an emotion carved onto my soul. A symphony of movements, mudras, and makeup that transports us to a world of ancient tales and timeless beauty.
So, Badhu Saras Che, Gujarat cities is a blend of traditional and modern, from the ancient poles of Ahmedabad to the futuristic skyline of Surat. It is the land of Navratri, where the rhythmic beats of Garba and Dandiya Ras fill the air, and the nights come alive with the twirling of colorful attire and the joyous laughter of the devotees.
Now we present the vibrant Garba, where rhythm meets festivity, and the clapping of hands and the clicking of wooden sticks create a mesmerizing symphony that worships the divine feminine and celebrates the triumph of good over evil.
Khush Amdeed, Jammu and Kashmir is a paradise on earth where the high-flying mountains of Himalayas touch the sky and the serene lakes of Dal shimmer in the sun. It is the crown of India where the ancient temples of Amarnath and Vaishno Devi stand tall and the vibrant gardens of Shalimar beckon.
Jammu Kashmir is the land of diverse cultures where the festive spirit of Eid and Diwali is celebrated with warmth and hospitality. Come on and immerse yourself in the beauty of the song Come Together as One.
Every tradition shines in its own unique way.
Why don't we turn to the youth for some insight? They might have a perspective that can answer this challenge.
I think it's incredible how each culture provides something unique to the table, whether it's art, music, and food. All of these different heritages come together to form our country's identity. In our school's Language Fest, we experienced this diversity firsthand.
Students dressed up as people from different states, speaking languages from every corner and beyond. This gives us a sense of the history of each state and how it weaves into the tight fabric of Indian culture.
Exactly. The fusion of different states, traditions and cuisines helps us appreciate how interconnected we are. Whether it's the folk songs from Punjab, handicrafts from Kerala or synchronized dances from Gujarat, each state contributes to the larger narrative of the country.
Every one of us is different. But if we find a way to overcome these differences and create something new, then I believe we would be embracing diversity.
And it's not just about the big festivals or events. In our daily school lives, we are constantly learning about different regions through language classes, cultural exchanges, and even the different books we read. These help us understand how each region contributes to India's unity in its own way.
Exactly. It's fascinating how our schools not only teach us the languages of different states, but also encourage us to immerse ourselves in the culture. Dressing up as someone from another state and participating in debates and speeches in languages that we may not even speak at home shows that India's strength lies in its diversity.
It teaches us the importance of respecting and cherishing every culture's uniqueness, while also understanding how it collectively shaped India's society as a whole.
Exactly. It's this collective contribution that through culture, tradition and food that shapes the rich mosaic of Indian culture. Each state adds a piece to the puzzle, and when we celebrate all of them together, we see the true beauty of unity in diversity.
Our heritage and tradition shape character through discipline and values, which is even visible in our school. Here we not only celebrate our culture, but also learn the importance of respect, empathy and community.
With each Language Fest, cultural event and team effort, we develop values that extend far beyond the classroom. We all shine in our own way. Let us see what happens when all of us come together as one.